Hi, everybody. It's Tereese. I hope you can hear me. My last video had no sound, so it was hard. I should have watched it before I uploaded it. So I received some mail today from my good dear friend Joyce, who lives in Louisiana, and we go on Messenger and we chat, and a couple other girls joins us in the chat, and sometimes we craft together, and we share what we created. So she sent me some tags that she created. She's so sweet. She doesn't do paper crafts anymore, but she created these tags for me. um I wanted to do a swap and nobody partake because it wasn't popular enough, I guess. um and I get it. Because not everybody's into that, and plus my swap the rules of my swap might have cost people more than it should have. And I know at this time we are really strapped for cash. And I really wasn't thinking about that. So I X'd my swap. Well, but my girlfriends came and they said, we're going to support you, Tereese. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, I made these tags a while back, and I wanted to do a swap. And but a lot of people, what are you going to do with this, Therese? What are you going to do with these tags? Well, I could put it in a journal. I could use this as a bookmark. I mean, I could I don't know. What else could I do with it? I could put it on a card, because this is the perfect size for a card. It's 5 inches. Um, or six. I think it's 6 inches. It's about 6 inches. Five and something. Um, and these, I just wanted to use these paper dolls. I had to use them. And a Tim Holtz doll. So anyway, so I guess, people are not interested in that. Everybody has their own prerogative. So my girlfriend Joyce sent me 3 tags. And she is a sewer. So I was sharing this on my other video and there was no sound. So I'm coming back on. These could be tags for a gift. Look how cute these are. I love this tool, Joyce. It is so pretty. I love the color red. She used some fabric. So this is on on I think it's not, I don't know if she used packaging or cardstock. Um, but this is a fabric bear that she fussy cut. Oh my gosh, Joyce. I know I can't imagine how you did this, because I know your hands are you know without giving away anything, but you spent a lot of time, and I so appreciate that, because she knows I love bears, and this was probably on a fabric that she has. And then she made a tag. This is like a tag, a paper tag. It's so cute, and she put it on the top here. She's so creative. Oh my gosh, I just love this. And then here's little bitty tags with a pocket in the back. How cute is that? I'm gonna stick it in like that. But I love this bow, and I love this bear. Okay, so that was one, and then here is another one. Look how cute these are. And she pop dot it, and it's just gorgeous, Joyce. I love it. I love the fabric in the background. Like this one was stripes, and this has candy canes, matches the tag. So I could definitely put this on a, on a box or a bag, you know. And then she has another little piece of fabric that she cut with a little pocket on the side. And she had some leaves. And then she made this oval out of, this is all made out of fabric, guys, except this. But all of this is all fabric. Oh my gosh. It is so cute. And then this guy, oh my God. I love the presents. I love the teddy bear. And then she's added some little pieces of fabric on paper. And it's a little tuck on the side here. And then here is the tag. And then she added another piece. She goes, Tereese, I'm not much of, I didn't measure. I said, I don't care. She used tulle in the background. It just goes really well with this fabric cutout. It is so pretty. So she has two pockets here. I love it, Joyce. I love it. I love them. I love them. I love them. They're so precious. And thank you so much, my friend, for gifting me these tags. I'm gonna try and use them. I might not. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.